Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows you to repost someone else's story even if they didn't mention you. Welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today we'll show you the easy way to repost any public Instagram story. Let's begin. To repost a story on Instagram, start by checking that your app is updated to the latest version. Then open Instagram and locate the story you want to repost. Tap the share button at the bottom of the screen and choose Add to Story. Instagram will create a new story for you automatically. You can now edit it just like a regular story. Tap on the shared story if you want it to appear full screen. You can also add text, stickers, or other effects if you want. Once you're done, tap your story to publish it. The original account will get a notification that their story was reposted. When your followers see your repost, they can tap on it to view the original story. That's all. This is how you can repost any public story on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Trend Tech Guide. We upload new tech tips and tutorials every time.